60 seconds is all you need to make $5.89 right here, straight in your PayPal account. And as you can see here, people are making $12, people are making $5, and people are making $16, $20, and $21, $15 straight into your PayPal account by utilizing this strategy that I'm about to show in this video. The earning potential is unlimited and the sky is the limit. With that money that you earn, maybe you can get time and location freedom and financial freedom. Maybe you can buy a new car or a new house or any computer or a new phone, or you can spend time and the money with your family. This is something new and unique, and I'm not sure why people are keeping it secret as if they want to make the money themselves. Now the goal for this video is to help you make your first $100, $200 or even $500 using the strategy that I'm about to show in this video. And the amazing part is you're going to do that using our mobile phone. It is possible to make passive income with your mobile phone if you subscribe to this channel, because each and every day I upload video giving you tutorials on how to make money online just using your mobile phone. So that is why I recommend you consider subscribing to this channel. Alright, so how are we going to make over $5.89 just by utilizing a strategy that I'm about to show in this video? Stay tuned till this video ends and you will never miss anything. So the first thing you have to do is, and that is the first step, is you go to YouTube, and when you go to YouTube, you search motivational videos. And when you search for motivational videos, you're gonna see there are a ton of videos right here that is about to motivate you. And what are you gonna do? You click on any of these videos you find interesting right here, and you will watch them. If you watch them, you find them helpful, or you can choose not to even watch them. You just do the strategy I'm teaching you, but it's better if you watch them because that will help you know what you're about to give to people. So what are you gonna do? You're not gonna sell anything right here. This strategy I'm about to show you is very easy, and anyone all over the world can implement this strategy. So when you go to YouTube, you search for motivational videos. What are you gonna do? You're gonna copy the links of at least 3 videos. And what are you gonna do? How are you gonna do it? You just click on the 3 dots right here. You click on that, and then you click share. By this time, you're not gonna share, but we're rather going to copy the link. And when you copy the link, you will open Google Docs. And this is my Google Doc that I've opened. You click on plus here, and you click on new doc. And when you click on new doc, you're gonna copy and paste this template right here that I did for you guys. So this template is for this video and for my subscribers, those who subscribe to this channel. You just motivate yourself. You just see this template here. You will copy the entire template and you paste it into your new document file that you opened. So you copy everything right here. You click copy, and what are you gonna do? This template is there for you guys. So when you finish copying, you open the template, the new template that you opened. You click on the pen sign here, and then you click paste. So this is your template. And what are you gonna do, or how are you gonna make $5? Are you gonna make $5.89 or even more than that in just 60 seconds with this template? So you can see this is a template which I named it Motivate Yourself. What are you gonna do with this template right here? How are you gonna make $5.89 or even more than that with this template right here? So as you can see, the watch a motivational video here, you're gonna put in or insert links. And what links are you gonna insert? These video links. You're gonna select at least 3 videos here. So let's say I select this video here, I'm still grinding, and I click on the 3 dots here, I click share, and I copy the link. When I copy the link, this is where I utilize a website called uii.io. So you just search on your browser uii.io, and then you click enter. So when you click enter, you can see it is telling you to join, and you will sign up for free. It doesn't require you to pay anything, or you log in if you already have an account, but you may not have an account, so you click sign up for free. And what are you gonna do? You just enter your name, your email, and your username to enter your password, and that's done. You click register. If you already have an account here, I created an account for this video, and it's a brand new account, so I'm gonna log into that. And once I log into that, as I said, account is new, which I just created it right now for this video. So you can see your account may be new. I want to show you a new account so that the strategy becomes very easy for you guys. This is a new account that I just created, and you can see everything is looking 00, and that's what your account and your dashboard is gonna look if you create new account. So when you log into your account, it will look the same as you see on the screen. So what you're gonna do here is you will paste the link, that's the YouTube video link you copied. So you can see I just paste the link right here at the first box, and I'll click shorten. So when I click the shortening, you can see UII.io gave me a new link, and that is down here. This is the shorten link, and I'll click copy again. I'll copy this UII.io shorten link. And what do I do with this link? I'll come to my Google Doc that I opened, and here it says watch a motivational video here. The first line which says watch a motivational video here, I'll click on the here, and I'll click the three dots here, and then click insert link. And when I click insert link, I'm going to insert a link right here. It says paste link, and then you see this is the UII.io link. So once I'm done, I'll click check mark. You see done. So you can see here here is highlighted. Watch a motivational video here is highlighted blue, which is telling you that whenever someone clicks on the here, which the person wants to watch a motivational video, the person will be sent straight into YouTube to watch the video, and it's free. It's a win-win situation because the person is getting value and you are getting paid per click. So you want to do that for at least 3 videos, and when you copy the next video link, then say this video right here which says it's time to get over it, you just click on the 3 dots here, you click share, and then you copy the link, and then you come back to UII.io. When you come back there, you paste that link here. You say your URL link here, and you paste that link, you click shorten. And once they give you the shopping link, you click copy right here, and then you paste that in your Google Docs sheet you opened. And this time you're gonna scroll down to the next line which says watch a motivational video here. Click on the here again, and you will insert the link. That's the second link for the second video. You do that for at least 3 videos, or you can do 5 videos or even 10 videos for more money. So once you finish inserting a link right into your Google Doc, what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on the check mark right here where you see save. So now that you save, it's gonna look like this. So you're gonna click on the 3 dots right here, and you're gonna click on here it says download. So you can see one item will be downloaded, and you can see the item is now downloaded. So once the item is downloaded, you are done. You're partially done. You're not all that done. So how are you gonna make money with this item or this doc file that we downloaded? Alright, you're just gonna use the last step, that's the third step here, and that is here you're gonna make the money with. This is where you get traffic. This is where you get clicks, people to click, people who are interested to watch motivational videos. You get them to click on your certain link, and once they click on the link, you get paid per clicks. So you utilize a website called slideshare.net. So you just open a browser, and here I recommend you use Opera browser, Chrome app, or you use any browser of your choice, but make sure your browser is a browser that supports this feature here that's called a desktop site. What this desktop site does is when you enter a website, it shows you what you can find on the desktop screen, and because we are using this mobile phone to implement this same strategy which was made for people using a computer, we also want to do the same with your mobile phone. So we're rather going to turn our browser into the desktop mode so that we can implement the same strategy. So here you enter SlideShare, yes, SlideShare. So just enter SlideShare, don't add .net. You enter SlideShare into your URL and you click search. So when you click SlideShare, you're gonna see the first page or the first website is what we're gonna click. I want to show you something. The reason why I want you to use a web browser which supports this desktop mode. So once I enter the SlideShare here, I'll click on the first link that is saying slideshare.net or the website slideshare.net. Make sure you search slideshare.net because it's going to refer you to a different page if you don't do it well. So you just type in SlideShare into your web browser, and then once it opens, you're going to make sure you click on the first website here that says what, www.slideshare.net. Or it may be second on your list or any, but make sure it is slideshare.net. You click on that. When you click on that, you see you're gonna refer to this page. This is their page, but you know it's very difficult for you to do it with an Android phone. If you don't find this video helpful, then you know you're something else. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, and then you like this video. That will motivate me to upload more videos to help you make money online. Alright, so once you enter the website like this, you can see there's no way you're gonna implement this strategy. It's gonna be very, very difficult. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna click on the 3 dots here. But if you already turn the desktop mode, you wouldn't do this. If you already have the desktop mode turned on, you click on the desktop mode, and you can see the website change to what? Desktop, like as you can see on the desktop. So at first it was not showing upload, but now it is showing upload just at the right top corner here. So we can upload our doc file that is talking about motivation, and that we had our links about motivational videos in it. We're just gonna upload that file in here at slideshare.net and make money per clicks. So we click upload, and when we click upload, we're gonna select our files here and then we upload. So slideshare.net is actually a website which millions of people come here each and every day and each and every month to read about things, to get knowledge, to share knowledge here on this website. So we're going to upload our file, our PDF file or dot file, so that people will come and read. People want to get motivated, they'll read our file, and when they click on that, they wouldn't be charged any money because they're getting free value, and we are making money just by referring them to watch those YouTube videos. So we click here, it says select to upload, select files to upload, and when you click that, you click on files. So when you click on the files, you can see the file that we downloaded is right here, Motivate Yourself. So you click on the first file you see on your download, and then you see it's uploading here on SlideShare. Once it is uploaded, you click publish. But before, you can add a little bit description. You can write here that the burst, let me make it professional. So the burst motivation than ever before, let me do it calm. All right, than ever before. So the best motivation than ever before, and you're gonna click publish. So here, tag here, you're gonna enter motivation. Motivation is your tag. You can add many more. Let me say business motivation or hustle motivation. You can add as many tags as you want, but you just add even one tab, it may be okay, and you click publish, and you are done. Now your doc file becomes available to everyone to click on it, and you make up to $100 per day, or even more than that, because you're just gonna make per click $5.89, and even more than that per click. That is all for this video, guys. I am done with this video, and if you find this video helpful, consider giving it a like and give it a dislike, and tell me what you want it to be done. If you don't like it, comment below what you don't like about this video, and if you like it, comment below why you like this video and what you are watching out next. So thank you guys for watching.